Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about the new Photos app that was released on the Canary and Dev channels in the Windows Insider program. This new Photos app version has a few improvements and a few interesting new features also related to AI. So in this video I'm gonna showcase all these new features and the changes so that you know what is new in the latest version of the Photos app. If you enjoy videos like these in which we talk about different apps in Windows 11, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, if you're on the Canary or Dev channels in the Windows Insider program, just open up the Microsoft Store, go in the left side into Library, and then click on Get Updates to get all the latest updates that are available. In my case, I already done the update, but of course you're gonna have to wait a bit, wait for all the updates to be finished, and you should have a new Photos app. Now I opened an image here. As you can see, if we click on Edit Image and then go into the Background tab, we're gonna notice that we now have a few other options related to the background removal feature. We have Blur, we have Remove, and we also have Replace. We can basically replace the background. Right now the options are pretty limited to the replacement function, but of course I'm sure that Microsoft will implement more options in the near future. So if you go to click on Blur, you'll notice that the background will be blurred. You can always select the blur intensity, and you can also select the background brush tool, which will basically allow you to select the background yourself if you're not happy with how the AI selected the background. Also, if we click on Remove, you'll notice that the AI has done a pretty good job. And also Replace, we can replace our background with a solid color if we want, so I think that is pretty interesting. We also have the hex and the RGB codes if we want to use those. Of course, you also have the color palette here, the preview, and again the background brush tool is available for you in case you are not happy with how the AI selected the background. I think this is a pretty useful new feature in the Photos app. This is basically the main feature from this new Photos app, but also if we're going back, you're gonna notice that some of the options that were up top in previous versions are now at the bottom. So we have show film strip at the bottom left, we have zoom in, zoom out, of course the percentage, full screen, and we also have the zoom to actual size, and you can see that it's pretty interesting. So basically these buttons were moved from the top to the bottom of the Photos app. And also in the main Photos app section, if you go to folders and right click on a folder, we're now going to have also the option to start a slideshow directly with the photos from that folder. I think that is also pretty nice. A huge shout out to Phantom Ocean 3 for discovering pretty much all the features from the new Photos app. Make sure to follow him on Twitter if you want to learn more about new things in Windows 11. So as a quick recap, first of all, in the main Photos app window, we have some options moved from the top to the bottom, basically the zoom in, zoom out, and also full screen buttons. And also we now have a new background and replace function that we can use on our photos, which is powered by AI. Of course, right now we can only use a solid color to replace the background with. And yet again, when you right click on a folder, you'll now have the start slideshow function that you can use with the photos inside that folder, of course. This app can be installed pretty much on any Windows 11 version, so if you want me to make a different video in which I show you how to install the new Photos app version on any Windows 11 version, please let me know. But of course, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.